In this video, I'll show you how to make Nintendo Switch account. If you found this guide useful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Creating a Nintendo Switch account allows you to access online services, download games, and save your progress across multiple devices. It also enables multiplayer features and personalized recommendations. To create a Nintendo Switch account, start by opening your browser and navigating to a search engine like Google. In the search bar, type "Create Nintendo Switch Account" and press Enter. From the search results, click on the first link, which will direct you to the Nintendo Switch account registration page. Once on the page, you will need to provide several personal details. Start by entering a unique nickname that you'd like to use for your account. Then, fill in your email address and choose a password. It is important to confirm your password by typing it again in the confirmation field to ensure they match. After providing your email and password details, you'll need to enter additional information such as your date of birth, gender, country or region of residence, and your time zone. These fields are essential for personalizing your account and ensuring you receive the correct content and services. There will also be checkboxes for you to agree to certain terms or privacy policies. Make sure to check at least 2 of them before proceeding. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click on the Submit button to move to the next step. After submitting, Nintendo will send a verification code to your email address. Go to your inbox, find the email, and copy the verification code. Return to the registration page, enter the code in the designated field, and click Verify. After verification, your Nintendo Switch account will be successfully created, and you'll be taken to your profile page, where you can start using your new account. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.